up, guys? And I am back with part 2 of this video using the same Arabella hair company water wave wig. Now in part 1 of this video, you did see me do just a simple regular wet look. I just pretty much kept the natural curl pattern of this wig, and I just, raised the ends a little bit just to make it a little more even. But now I'm going to show you another look you can create using the same wig, but just a dry look. Now today I am going to use my bed head a wave we go crimper, and this crimper actually has 4 settings. You just twist the knob and it just gets bigger and bigger in the middle, which creates bigger waves or whatever like that. So I'm probably going to use the third one, level 3, so because these water wave curls is pretty much really deep, so I'm not going to add any hard sprays or anything like that. I'm just going to crimp this hair as is. Now also I wanted to mention that I did let this hair go ahead and air dry, so this is pretty much what the hair looks like after it has air drawn out. I don't know if I said that shit right, but y'all know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with my crimper to define these curls. I mean, they're already like defined, but just to give it like a nice together type wavy look. So yeah, let's get straight to it. I'm not crimping like the whole hairdo like piece, every single piece. I just want to crimp just like the top layer to just make it more like, just to give it a little bit of a different look. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm crimping it, and this crimper gets really hot really fast, and that's another reason why I love it. And it holds the crimp and creates the crimps really good without any harsh spray. So I'm going to lift that up, and you just want to sit this rod right in the center, right in the dents of those waves, and you just just follow the pattern, and it should be very, very simple. I just hold it for a few seconds, nothing too major. Now the reason why I'm not using any spray, because I don't want no hard crimps. If you want your crimps to be harder, you can use like Got to Be spray, or you can use any type of light mousse. I really wouldn't recommend to use the really hard pump it up, because it can flake and stuff like that, and you really don't want your hair to be white and flaky. So I'll say, just use a regular light spritz or a holding spray. So this is pretty much what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crimp probably like 2 more pieces on this side, and then I will get started on the other side. Okay, so as y'all see, I went ahead and crimped this side, and you actually can see the difference with the curls being more wild over here and then it being more uniformed over here. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to actually lift this section up, and now as far as the front, I am going to crimp it down like in my face, because I do want it to fall in my face. So instead of just crimping it off to the side, I am going to crimp it kind of going like straight down into my face. So now that this side is crimped as well, I'm just going to take my comb and I have like the little comb over part here. I do want to keep that comb over or whatever, and yeah. And I said I was gonna do baby hairs, but I really like when I don't have baby hairs in my hair. Oh yeah, this is super, super cute. So this is like a dry look, like I mentioned before. Like I said, I'm using my bed head wave and go crimper. And whether you want to do a wet look or a really like calm together curly look using a water wave, you can actually crimp like the top layer to give it a whole new look. As you can see from the beginning of this video, this hair does not look the same. Like the curls are definitely way more defined. I actually like the little crimp sideburn thing I did, and that's another reason why me wanting baby hairs is like changed my whole mind. But yeah, so this is pretty much another way to wear this hair. I absolutely love it. Holds the curl really good. Yeah, so once again, this is Arabella Hair, and this is a water wave wig. This is with a 16-inch. So I hope you guys enjoy part 2, the dry look, with a little crimping to give it some more like it went from a regular cute little hot girl summer look to like a nice elegant, I could wear this with a nice little dress and a beat phase and look really, really cute for like a really elegant event. So yes honey, we is cute, period. So y'all know I'm gonna drop some videos and some photos, so just stay tuned.